but your mother would be proud of you.
The truth is, in this day and age, it's never been easier to be a content creator. And there is one product that's leading in this charge, and that's a company called XTRA. Let's talk about it. So XTRA came onto the scene during late 2025, during the chaos of the TikTok bans, US and China going back and forth, and a lot of companies were getting banned. The DJI drones were getting banned. After a year of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 having such an amazing impact, it is probably one of the most popular cameras ever. And then all of a sudden, after rumors of a DJI ban happening, the XTRA Muse came on the scene. Now, the XTRA Muse looks very familiar. If you've seen the DJI Pocket 3, it looks exactly like it. But that's for a reason. Here's another camera from XTRA that also looks very familiar. It almost looks just like the DJI Action 5 Pro, maybe? You take a closer look and you tell me. But these cameras not only just look like DJI products, the quality is almost the same, or even a little bit higher in terms of video, build quality, and so forth. So what is XTRA and how can it get away and how are they doing this? The truth is, no one knows for sure, but with certain different hints in this latest software update where you can actually integrate DJI mics directly with the XTRA cameras, it's mind-blowing. But here's something I didn't mention. These XTRA products literally cost a fraction of the price for DJI products. And here's where it gets good for you. A lot of people have felt like they can't get into content creation because of the expensive price of the products. You have $2,000 phones and $1,500 laptops, and it's just absolutely crazy. However, this is where XTRA changes the game because the quality is great, but the prices has been slashed in half. You can get the XTRA Edge, which is a powerful, absolutely killer cinematic film and camera, and also action camera for what, $190? Crazy sales going on. I saw him for like $150 the other day. And this is a starter camera. Like, it's small, it's petite, the quality is great, the wide angle view looks absolutely amazing. 4K 60, if you have the Pro, you can get the 4K 120. But I say this to say that for a little over 150 bucks, you can start your vlogging journey. And me, I have a camera set up, right? Couple $1,000, monitors, all of that. And I never took my camera outside to vlog. But with this other camera, it has moved the needle. It has made me go out and film more. Look at the YouTube channel right now. You have seen more videos of me being outside, and that's thanks to the XTRA cameras. Now, this video isn't sponsored, and I'm not glazing. But if you aren't locked into the XTRA products, you are missing out. Especially this little one right here. Do you know how much it is for a DJI Osmo Pocket 3? You're looking at what, $700? You can get this for half the price at maybe a $500 or whatever crazy deal they have going on. And you're getting the same exact thing, the same stabilization, the same camera content, the same tracking. It's abysmal. It's ridiculous. I mean, look at the quality on that. Can you see that quality? So XTRA, of course, it's a long way to go. And I believe that XTRA will have a long future. Yes, I just hit record, so you guys literally see the view from this video of how amazing it looks. And I'll show the XTRA camera, my actual setup, so you can see what kind of rig I'm working with here. So with the price factor, the amazing quality of the products, and yeah, what is left? If you have a desire to become a creator, like, I won't get into the specs because you can read the spec list. You can go to xtra.com and look at the products, but you can also film in log. You can film in Xlog. It's not D-Log, Xlog. And then you go to kuraelevated.com and grab the LUTs, the cheapest LUTs on the internet, for $5 and apply that. And you literally have cinematic quality videos. What's the excuse? There is no more excuse anymore. There is no excuse where say, hey, I can't afford to become a content creator. I can't buy a camera. We all have smartphones. If you want something a little bit higher, look into one of these cameras. Stop sleeping on it. Now, with that being said, there are still challenges. You have a lot to learn to become a content creator, but this is where I come in. I literally create resources to help young creators. I don't care about the big creators. I care about the people who are starting their creative journey, who don't know where to start. Because when I started this journey, no one helped me. No, I'm getting sponsored by some of the biggest brands, biggest company, have tech coming in almost every day. Sometimes it's overwhelming to talk about all the tech that comes in. And you can do it too. Because I started with one little phone, with nothing, no one believing in me. I didn't download TikTok for years because I was scared. I didn't really want to get on it. And my life was almost completely changed because of making content. And in this day and age, everybody should be making content. And with the XTRA Edge Pro, the XTRA Muse, these cameras for a fraction of the price, you don't need a $3,000 Sony camera to get started making content. You can use these cameras. XTRA is leading the pathway or the path for creators to get in regardless of the price point and stature that you're currently at. Let's talk about the mics, because you can connect this mic to the DJI mics. And this mic right here is a DJI Mini. It's literally just the mic. And this is for like $24 on Amazon, which is crazy. You get a DJI mic with high top tier quality, just like the Mic 3, for $25 on Amazon. And you can use this mic and connect to any of the XTRA cameras. So let's just say you grab the XTRA Edge, call it $160. For $200, you have all the setup you literally need. You have all the setup you need to film content. So what are you waiting on? Film that video. Grab that content. As a bonus gesture, let's actually just unbox the DJI mic and let's see what is actually in it. This is the XTRA bag. It's literally the same quality. That's crazy. The same quality, same stitching, just different color. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Then we got the puffer. We got, where's the actual mic at? We got the mic. Don't tell me it came with an adapter. What's this? Must be a clip. Okay, it's a clip and a USB-C cable. All I can say is the quality you get from DJI is absolutely ridiculous for $24. This quality is out of this world. It even has a little puffer mount that you can literally just put on the camera. I'm not sure I'm doing this the right way. Let me see. And there we go. We got it on. And it's so cute. That's crazy. And you're getting top amazing quality. I just realized that it does have a USB-C on the actual mic, so you have a little charging stand that comes with it. Like, this is mind-blowing. So I want to invite you in the next couple of months, next couple of weeks, if you can afford it, to get your hands on this $24 mic and one of these XTRA cameras, whether it's the Edge or whether it's the XTRA Muse. Get your hands on it, start creating, and change your life, man. Change your family's life. Change the people around your life that a little content creation can bring. It goes a long way. We're going to keep it short today. I'm going to leave the links to all these products down in the description so you can see the price. You can get started on your content creation journey. Please subscribe, man. You see, I'm a young creator. I'm trying to get started on content creation, and we have a long road ahead. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to the video, and I'll be posting more helpful videos along about these products, my content creation journey, and everything I've learned and everything I know. You will get it here raw and first. If you have any questions, comment it down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.
I bet you